This lesson on dates, addresses, and letters comes from the 8th grade Houghton Mifflin English book. Use a comma to separate the month and the day from the year. That's pretty common. Everybody pretty much knows that one. If the date is within a sentence, set it off with commas. This is the one that people miss. So if we look at the example, September 5th, 1978 was when Miss Gren was born. The September 5th comma everybody already uses. It's the one that comes after the year that people miss. If it's within a sentence, you have to put a comma after the year. Use a comma between the city and the state. Again, that one's pretty common. Everybody gets that one. Use a comma after the state if the address is within the sentence. So Orlando, Florida, is my favorite place to go. This is the comma that people miss. If the city and state is within the sentence, you have to put a comma after the state. Finally, use a comma after the greeting in a friendly letter and after the closing in both friendly and business letters. Again, people get these all the time, so that one's not a problem. Let's look at an example. Let me grab a marker here. All right, so up at the top, 48 Kent Drive, no commas needed. Lexington, Kentucky, 40511, January 29th, 2001. Dear Alyssa, your letter on May 30th, 2000, don't forget because it's within the sentence, you need a comma after the year, just got here. Because you didn't include the zip code or the name of the state, the letter was delivered to Lexington, Massachusetts, 02173. I have no idea how the post office finally figured out where to send it. Anyway, I'll write more later about the upcoming Valentine's Day party. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. The address of the party is 21 Lee Road, Boone, Kentucky. See you on February 14th, 2001. Your friend, Olivia. Let's try one more set of examples. 1320 Adams Road, Stillwater, Oklahoma, 74074, March 27th, 2001. Dear Aunt Jessie, April 7th, 2001, because it's within the sentence, you need a comma, is when I will finally be in Boston. I can't wait to see you and Uncle Raymond. Except for visits to Tulsa, Oklahoma, in November 1997, and to Houston, Texas, in January 1998, I've never been away from Stillwater. I've been studying some history. April 19th, 1775, was the first battle of the American Revolution in Lexington, Massachusetts. Can we visit the site of the Boston Tea Party, which occurred on December 16th, 1773, in Boston Harbor? My Boston tour book lists addresses of the other historical sites, including the home of Paul Revere at 19 North Square, Boston, Massachusetts, 02113. Is that far from the Museum of Science at Science Park in Boston? I'm looking forward to my visit. Your nephew, Leo.